Example 2. A circuit overloads at 1800 watts of electricity. You plug a microwave oven that uses 1100 watts of electricity into the circuit. Part A. Write and solve an inequality that represents how many watts you can add to the circuit without overloading the circuit. So, first of all, we know that this thing overloads at 1800 watts. So whatever I write, I'm going to compare it to 1800. Now, I'm going to plug some stuff in here, so I have to fill this in. And if I overload at 1800, then I know whatever this is has to be smaller than 1800, which means this stuff is less than 1800. Now, if it overloads at 1800 watts, do we want to get to, or can we be equal to 1800 watts? And the answer is no, because if I hit 1800, it's going to overload, which is going to like pop my circuit breaker and everything's going to shut off. So we're just going to stick strictly less than. We're not going to put an equal to sign. Now, I plug in a microwave oven that uses 1100 watts. So I'm using 1100 watts, and I'm going to add on a certain number of watts, but I still can't go over 1800. So right now I don't know what that is, so I'm just going to make it W. So our inequality is we have 1100 plus W is less than 1800. Now it says we have to solve that for W, so I'm going to subtract 1100 from both sides. Which is going to give me W is less than 700, which means whatever I plug into that outlet along with my microwave, it better be less than 700 watts, otherwise I'm going to trip the circuit and overload it, and then we're going to have a problem. So, part B. In addition to the microwave oven, which of the following appliances can you plug into the circuit at the same time without overloading the circuit? Well, we just said that W has to be less than 700. So, we could plug in the clock radio. That's less than 700. We could plug in the blender. That's less than 700. Could we plug in the microwave, the clock radio, and the blender all at once? And the answer to that is, well, yeah, I could do that because 300 plus 50 is 350, which is still less than 700. So less than 700, and then that wouldn't overload the circuit.